Good morning, students of 8th class. Today I'm going to teach you your English chapter number 3rd, Glimpses of the Past. Students, glimpses का मतलब होता है झलकियाँ, अतीत की झलकियाँ. So students, here are some pictorial glimpses of the history of your country from 1757 to 1857. Okay, so in this chapter you will see only the pictures and the explanation of that pictures, that what about that pictures are. So let's open your book and start reading this chapter. So in the first picture, Lata Mangeshkar is there and who is singing a song, "Oh my countrymen, let your eyes fill the tears as you recall the sacrifice of Indians martyrs." So students, in this picture, the sacrifices of Indian martyrs is given in this picture. लता मंगेशकर एक प्रोग्राम में, दिल्ली के में एक प्रोग्राम में, इन अ फंक्शन शी इज़ सिंगिंग दैट सॉन्ग, ए मेरे वतन के लोगों ज़रा याद करो कुर्बानी. ओके, तो शहीदों की कुर्बानी के बारे में इस फर्स्ट पिक्चर में एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया है. सो लेट्स गो ऑन द नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. So students, with the Lata Mangeshkar, some another picture is also given here where the Lal Bahadur Shastri, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, then Rabindranath Tagore and other, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bhagat Singh is given in this picture. So overall that picture explain us about the patriotism. Okay, so let's go with the another. So students, the chapter start with the events of that were taking place in the year 1757. At this time, the British were in strong position in India. They had superior in strong arms and ammunition and also financially resources. On the other hand, the Indian state and the princes were short-sighted and were busy fighting with each other. They lacked unity. They also often sought British help, and East India Company took full advantage of this. The British followed the policy divide and rule. Some people favored the British while some did not. However, Tipu Sultan of Mysore fought with the British, but unfortunately he died in the year 1799 fighting the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. So students, it was given in your second picture. So students, in this second picture, the religious leaders preached ideas like untouchability and child marriages. The British imposed heavy taxes on farmers so that the farmer had to abandon their fields. The East India Company's law began to cripple Indian industries. British invented others methods which gave them profits. Students, British wanted to get heavy profit from Indian industries. So they imposed higher taxes and they made the Britishers' goods will be tax free in India to ruin the Indian industries. Between 1822 and 1836, the 15 lakh Indians died of starvation. भूखमरी से मर गए थे, खाने को भोजन नहीं था. So that was given in your second glimpse. Now the third one. So students, the Britishers plans to cut the root of Indian education system too. Education in India, it was in Persian or in Sanskrit. During 1835 to 57, Thomas Macaulay suggested some change in Indian education. They taught Indians their languages, but they started education in English in India. By 1856, the British had conquered the whole of India. They cared a little about the need of Indians. That was given in your second glimpse. Revolt, 1857, withdrawal. In 1857, a violent revolt was broken in मेरठ. मेरठ में एक हिंसक विद्रोह भड़क उठा. सिपाही दिल्ली की तरफ कूच करने लगे और वहाँ के सम्राट बहादुर शाह जफ़र चिरायु हो इस तरीके के नारे लगाने लगे. विद्रोह दूर दूर तक फैल गया क्योंकि बहुत सारे ज़मींदार अंग्रेज़ों की नीतियों से खुश नहीं थे. वो अपनी ज़मीनें खो बैठे थे. Many landlords lost their lands because of the British policies. So there was a revolt in 1857. Have you got? Let's go to the next glimpse. The fight for the freedom, 1857. Students, many rulers like Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow was bitter. She said that the white man has taken away my kingdom. So she joined against the British movement in 1857. The popular leader of and Maulvi Ahmadullah of Faizabad told the people, "Raise, brother, raise. The Angrez is ruining our land." The people rose everywhere in Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad. So students, एक प्रसिद्ध लीडर मौलवी अहमदुल्ला जो फैज़ाबाद से था, उसने लोगों को कहा कि उठो, अंग्रेज़ जो है वो हमारे लैंड को, हमारी भूमि को रियूंड कर रहे हैं, बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, अब तो जागो. So that is given in this glimpse of 1857. So the second glimpse is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Students, Rajaram Mohan Rai, a learned person from Bengal, understood what was wrong with this country. हमारे देश में क्या गलत चल रहा है, राजाराम मोहन राय को पता लग गया था. He was attracted by science and modern knowledge, so he went to England and fight for the justice of India. He said to his wife, "The cows are colors different, but the color of their milk is the same. Different teachers have different opinion, but the sense of religion is the same." So students, गाय अलग अलग रंग की होती है पर उसका दूध तो समान ही होता है. हम सब भारतीय हैं, हम किसी भी रंग के हों, किसी भी भाषा के हों, पर हम सब एक हैं. We should not fight with each other. Because he was a learned person. That is given in your this glimpse. The Sparks, Chingari, 1855 to 1857. Some Indian soldiers in East India Company were ill pleasant with the attitude of Indian Company. A soldier named Mangal Pandey attacked on the British regiment. Few Englishmen had cared to understand Indian custom and people's mind. So, "Oh, poor Brahmin soldier, do you know how that the grease on the bullet you have to bit and made of the fat of cows and pigs. What? The white man has deceived us too. Means क्या अंग्रेजों ने हमारा धर्म भी भ्रष्ट कर दिया है? So that was the thing was going on at that time. Soon the chapatis were sent from village to village to tell the people that their emperor would want their services. Yes, all my village men will be ready. Similarly, the lotus flower circulated among Indian soldiers. Death to foreigner. The message gave all help and shelter to patriots. Means अंग्रेज़ों के खिलाफ क्रांति करने की पूरी तैयारी चल रही थी. So that is given in this picture. I hope all of you have understood all the glimpse. आपको सारे glimpse समझ में आ गए होंगे. Students, glimpse का serial आगे पीछे हो सकता है. You may take your book and go with it. Okay, till then, bye bye. I'll come with the new video